Wings.
Can't tell.
Whoa! John, get out here.
That is weird.
Did you see the lights on both sides of it?
Yeah, and it was shining a bright light this way,
John,
and then it looked like it turned around.
And it's getting dim. Look.
Yeah.
look very close.
It looked like it was headed this way. Now it's.
Look at that.
Yeah.
What the hell? Ow, bitch. What the?
Why don't you just take out?
Man, I'm probably getting slayed right now.
It's still on the camera.
Huh?
That is.
Unless it is an airplane and it turned and you can barely see the light.
With the
now.
headlight?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have lights. You didn't know planes have
Well,
lights?
that's why I thought it was a helicopter, maybe.
Am I dead?
Get your binoculars, Ava.
They're on the room on the floor right in front of my dresser.
You won't be able to see it.
Look,
Probably
there
like a
it's
truck.
going brighter again.
Yeah.
Look on the camera, John.
Oh shit.
Oh, the light's gone. Oh wait.
No.
No. There's a tree in my way. That's why I thought it was gone.
Is it still there?
Yeah. Because I'm still zoomed on it. It looks bright on my phone.
You know what I think that is?
I think it's no, now it's flashing.
No,
I think it's like the care flight.
Oh, it could be, yeah.
that's what I'm thinking. I was like, maybe like a search and rescue. I don't know. I
Because,
felt,
oh, where'd it go?
oh,
It's still in the same spot it's been.
the lights.
Oh, light. Oh, it's
Oh.
red.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like a truck.
I don't know.
Well,
Not sure
what's
what
in the
that
truck?
is.
You want to check it out? Can you see it? Yeah, I can. Let me just find it. I don't know where it's at.
No, it's like a bluish.
What am I looking at right now? Oh,
Look
that's
at-
the house. So if I Zap.
Yeah, because it's not really changing its spot. Well, no, it just went really dim. It just disappeared.
Whoa!
Holy shit.
No, it just disappeared.
Yeah, it's gone. What think it's care flight.
Well, no,
No,
it
it's
would have
not.
landed.
I can't see it anywhere. Oh shoot! Yeah, care flight. I remember when.
Wait, there it is. There.
Flight was landed in front of our house one time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because
No, see, then it went red.
It's trying to like dim, so it could stay like hidden or something. Kind of like flying around and stuff. So it's poof, gone. Where did it go?
No, it just disappeared again.
But no, like when it landed, everything on the road just flying everywhere.
Oh, yeah, because of the wing, the propeller.
Um,
Right? Remember I was telling you on the Barneyville Minden page, someone posted about it.
no, it disappeared.
It's gone.
I had it right on it, and look, there it is.
Huh?
Well, look at it on the camera.
It looks very disky. Like it doesn't look.
Look. Do you see it, Eric? Ava! Like it's really... And go tell Ava it's still out here.
Huh?
Go tell Ava it's still out here.
Ava!
But it had, I swear to God, it had a headlight that was facing this way.
It's out there.
Look on the camera. Here, let me see. You can't see anything.
Here, let me fix them. Mom, let me
I
fix
got
them.
it. I got it.
Doesn't it look like
The cap things are on, Ava.
Oh, John.
Oh, that's why you can see nothing. That was a bug that just got killed.
Yeah, I think it's a helicopter. Well, no.
Yeah, the light's getting bigger too.
There's
Oh, there.
Again.
right over there.
And then it
It's
disappeared. And no, it.
A blink.
Oh, well, I'm not even facing on that way. Here, hold that.
You got the remote out here, Ava? Is that what's on the chair? I don't know, that light keeps going out, coming back on, going out.
No, that's freaking bright. You see that?
That is way too bright to be
Well,
Whoa! Whoa! That was just flashing.
Mm-hmm.
Like different colors. It's like moving. Like in circles. On your camera. And it's
gone.
gone. What the heck?
Yeah,
Where,
it like.
it just. Where did it go? What the? It's gone now.
Oh, see, I think if it was a helicopter, it wouldn't disappear.
Yeah, exactly. It's gone. I don't see it anywhere.
I don't know.
It's like it flashed and then poof. Out of existence. Okay, buddy. Your UFO. Like, where did you go? Nowhere.